The Canon EOS R6 Mark II with the RF24-105mm IS STM lens kit is built for creators who want powerful hybrid performance in both photography and video. Designed with a 24.2-megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor, it delivers rich detail, excellent dynamic range, and impressive low-light capability. Whether you're capturing fast action, portraits, travel footage, or cinematic video, this camera provides the speed and clarity needed for professional-level results. The advanced autofocus system features subject detection for people, animals, and vehicles, ensuring sharp focus in challenging shooting conditions. With high-speed burst shooting and improved tracking reliability, it's ideal for sports, wildlife, and fast-moving scenes. For video creators, the EOS R6 Mark II offers oversampled 4K recording with reduced noise, smooth colors, and strong stabilization, giving you crisp footage straight out of the camera. The included RF24-105mm f4-7.1 IS STM lens adds versatility, covering wide to mid-telephoto ranges for everyday shooting. Its optical stabilization helps deliver steady images and clean handheld video. Compact, lightweight, and comfortable to handle, this kit is perfect for creators who need performance without unnecessary bulk. Whether you're a photographer upgrading your gear or a videographer expanding your creative tools, the Canon EOS R6 Mark II provides a powerful and reliable solution for every project.